Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
On this occasion, we are here to discuss the Kite Runner film. I will explain the background of making the film and also what happened in the film. First, I will explain the background of making the film. The Kite Runner tells the story of Amir and Hassan's friendship that was formed in the middle of the war between the Soviet Union and Afghanistan. The Kite Runner is a 2007 American drama film directed by Mark Forster. The screenplay was written by David Benioff based on the novel of the same name by Khalid Hosseini. The production process of the Kite Runner film took place in Xinjiang because it is very difficult to find a suitable place in Afghanistan for the film. The theme of the novel begins with guilt, with an important scene depicting the sexual assault that occurred against Hassan, Amir's friend, which failed, prevented by Amir, which led to the end of their friendship. The final part of the book centers on Amir's attempt to atone for this transgression by rescuing Hassan's son 2 decades later. Then, what happened in the film is starting from the story of a friendship between a businessman's son named Amir Jan and a servant's son named Hassan. They love each other very much and are always together, but they are always bullied by several teenagers, one of whom is named Asef. Amir lived with his father and uncle. The name is Rahim Khan, who always encouraged him to write stories. Until one day there was a war between the Soviet Union and Afghanistan. Amir Jan and his father decided to move to America. After many years in America, Amir Jan married a general's son named Soraya. But after Amir Jan married, his father died. Then he got information from someone that Rahim Khan was sick. So he decided to visit Rahim Khan in Afghanistan. After Amir Jan met with Rahim Khan informed that Hassan was actually Amir Jan's brother, and Rahim Khan informed that Hassan had died and he has a son named Sohrab who lives in an orphanage. After hearing the news, Amir Jan decided to take Sohrab. It turns out that Sohrab is no longer in the orphanage because Asef has taken him. Then Amir Jan desperately tried to snatch Sohrab from Asef, until finally Sohrab could be brought by Amir Jan to America and cared for by Amir Jan and his wife. My favorite part of the film is when Amir Jan tries to take the Sohrab from Asef, because at that time Amir Jan was trying too hard that he had a fight with Asef. Until finally Amir Jan was able to bring Sohrab to America and live with him. My favorite quote from the film is, when you lie, you steal someone's right to know the truth. So there is nothing more evil than stealing. The words were said by his father when Amir Jan asked his father's opinion about sin. And another quote that I like is, losing something when we have is always more painful than not having anything. The meaning of the sentence is, when Amir loses Hassan, that rather than having no friends like Hassan at all, it is better to have one friend like Hassan, even to only a while. Then Dewi will give his opinion about the film.
Okay, my favorite part of the movie writes, one day of Victoria Amir will a local cat fighting tournament and finally gets Baba is right. Hassan Ryan for the last flight of kites. A big toppy side to Amir, for you 1,000 days. And a section, Amir started to believe that life would be easier if Hassan was not around. So like and final, the money number under Hassan is matters in the hope that Baba will leave. Hassan had confessed when confided by Baba talks Baba the Stot. Believe there is no better ex than cycling. He forgive Hassan and Ali still go because Hassan has told Ali what happened. And there are two quote I can't say. The quote first, for you 1,000 times over. And the sign when Baba said, over the years, that is what I have been trying to text you. How to make sure you never ask that question. But I worry about sin and unclouded life, expecting nothing in return of giving. And quite a tool, no the matters with the dash. There is only on the shin, only one, and that is trip. Every all shin is a version of taste. Do you understand that? When you kill a man, you still alive, Baba said. You still his wife, right to a husband, his children of a father. When you kill a leaf, you still someone like to the right. When you strike, you still the right to rightness. Do you see? And how with you, Mulia?
Okay, the thought I like in the move are warm, stay. When you kill, you stay in the life. Life, you stay someone right to know the time. My favorite part in the move is when Hassan become Amir's son when when he whispered my people, because Hassan loved Amir very much and will do anything to make his friend happy. When Rahim to Amir, the Hassan was his half brother, and Amir wanted to meet Hassan in the need of the Hassan had did. And Amir received a letter from Hassan with connection. Hassan asked Amir to bring his son Sohrab to America because Afghanistan conditions were not conducive due to Taliban. Oke, opini my Tasha.
My favorite part is the movie's around 16 minutes. A few years later, Amir lived in America with his father. He became a writer like his childhood dream. Amir fell in love with Dogur, a very beautiful general. Amir met Soraya at the market when Amir was selling books and was introduced to the Bayfarer. Amir ventured to propose to her and got his blessing. The wedding the, the wedding was held lively and happily. They have a simple but happy married life. This this is the happy part of the film. The hotel part is full of sadness. The two words I like in the movie. There is only one scene and that is step. Baba.
4 people was listening to my story before I can know how to make up a story. Amirjan. Kalau Fitri, which part of the film is your favorite?
Okay, my favorite movie part itu when Amir received a letter from Hasan about the last message conveyed. Hasan hoped that its son Sofarab would grow up to be an independent and respect person. I salute Amir action in keeping the content of the letter. Amir started looking for his friend soon. The search began. Amir returned to Kabul to find Sohrab in this gas and finally he managed to find Sohrab at the orphanage, but unfortunately Sohrab was sold to the leaders of the frog group. Long story short, Amir found Sohrab in a house, and it turns out that the leader who booked Sohrab was Asep. He was an enemy of Amir, and Hasan is a kid. After going through so many obstacles, Amir finally managed to get away with Sohrab and live happy with him. Okay, the two what I like in this movie are one, a boy who is unable to stand up for himself will grow up to be a man who is unable to face any problem. Yang kedua, losing something we have is always more painful than not having anything at all. Thank you.
These opinions from our group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.